What is up, everybody? Yes.
No.
The camera shy people are here. So check this out. We have a surprise. I don't know if you can tell what these are, but if you read the boxes, if you can't read the boxes, that's okay. We'll show you, but check this out. We've got ourselves a couple of but anyways, okay, so check it out. We are gonna unload these things that we got, and we are going to put them together. But we needed some more fun activities for our camp trips, so we decided that we were gonna buy them. So stay tuned. We're gonna pull these out, and then we're gonna put them together, or try to at least start to put together them things. Stay tuned.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New
All right, folks, look at this. Yeah, got the machete. Oh, look at what we got here. Woo! Oh, dude, look at that. We get this little metal crate here. Nice. We'll use that as a shelf. We'll store these bikes right up here on the wall. Careful, don't cut that seat.
I'm trying.
Oh,
That one's little.
look at that one. So right here we've got this bike, and we've got that bike. Yeah. Get out. All right, so these here are crate motorcycles. I told them, you know what, I don't want to pay the fee for you to put them together. I'll put them together. So we're gonna put them together. I don't know how much of that I'll show on the video because it'll take us a while to figure out a bit. All right, we officially have a mess. This is my first motorcycle I've put together. No instructions. We'll figure it out. But here's how we're doing so far. So, this bike here is the PITSTER Pro MXR 140. Sits a little taller for reference. This is where it sits on me, so it still sits pretty high. But yeah, it'll be perfect for my daughter. So stay tuned, I'll show you the progress once we get it all finished up and this crap cleaned up. But, oh, look at this CTSV. Got a battery for it. Oh yeah. All right, let's try this out. All right, moment of truth. Hit the brakes so we're not moving anywhere. All right, key on. All right, here she is. So we got this bike, today, basically, and the kids are gonna forget to turn off the key. I guarantee you that. But this right here is the PITSTER Pro MXR 140. Now, we're gonna go have some fun on these things, and we are going to not really test them out, but we're gonna videotape them. We're gonna go play on them a little bit. We're not gonna beat on them, so to say, because, you know, unless you guys start giving me a lot of views and bringing in more income off of YouTube, we're not gonna really beat on it. So if you want to see me beat on it, like the video, subscribe, give me some more subscribers, and yeah, we'll beat on them. Or unless PITSTER Pro wants to sponsor a few videos and just give me a bike I can go beat on. But other than that, check it out. Yeah, she sounds pretty good, doesn't she? So anyways, I bought this one here for myself to play on, but mainly for my daughter. We were looking at some four-wheelers, and we decided we were gonna go with a few motorcycles. Some of the used prices, and another thing, the reason why we went with these PITSTER Pros is we are not gonna beat on them. So the kids are gonna take it easy. The girls, they ride it pretty good. They're not, you know, they don't ride things like I do. So if we had some girls or boys who rode like me, we still probably would have bought these. Why? Because they're pretty cheap. We're gonna test them out. I want to see how they hold up, basically. But for the price that I bought this one and that other one for, I still walked away cheaper than I bought that KLX 140 for. So if you can imagine, 2 for the price of 1. The other one's a 110, and we will show you, obviously we showed you that in the beginning of the video, but we will show you that again once we've got that put back together fully. So until then, I mean, like I said, you can see the seat height on this thing. So I still can't flat foot it. But my daughter, you'll see, I just showed you some footage. She rides it. So once we break the suspension in, or you know, whatever. But yeah, that's why I went with this 140. I went to the shop. I was planning on getting a 125, but I decided to go with the 140 because, for one, I got a little bit better deal on that one. I was gonna do a 110 and the 125, but I figured this might suit my daughter a little bit better and myself size-wise. So here we are. Follow along. Summer of fun.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I